So here we are, trekking up the driveway in snow, and our hay is being delivered for 3 times the cost of what it would be if I had my truck running, my farm truck, which is rotting away to pieces. If that were running and hadn't been sitting at a repair shop for 3 weeks going on 4 without an estimate yet, this wouldn't be happening, but I'd be paying $50 for 10 bales of hay instead of $150, which is unaffordable and not sustainable. And we have the poor feed delivery guy, stuck. He parked on the side of the road and went to back up to get closer to the edge and slid right off the road into the top of the driveway. These are 7 hay bales, and I've just restacked them for the 3rd time. We still have our delivery driver stuck up here in the snow waiting for a tow truck, so wicked fun. Delivery driver still stuck at the top of the driveway. Neighbor going by mocking me. Probably. Just dumped again. For like the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th time maybe. Now we're not even halfway down the driveway. It's snowing and cider wants to be fed. Great. Snow's getting all over the hay every time it ditches. This hay is just ditched for the 6th freaking time. I have a track here, as you can see. The sled is on the track. The hay bales will not stay on the sled. Why don't you take less bales? Somebody might say, well, because it's snowing and I want to get them inside before they get covered in it. So there's that. I'm getting them covered in it anyway, aren't I? This is bullshit. Where's my tractor? Now the feed guy is still stuck waiting for the tow truck, and the UPS guy can't get in here to deliver. So a giant mess that could be averted by me having a tractor. I would have the driveway totally plowed and could unstick this guy even if he got stuck. If I had a tractor, I could pull his truck out and he wouldn't be waiting for a plow. I mean, a tow truck. Do you think they're going to want to deliver to me again if he got stuck and they had to call a tow truck and pay for that? I doubt it. We are at the bottom of the driveway finally, the first part of it anyway, and still have about 100 feet or more to go to put these away in the goat house, which is actually built for ducks. The goats are living in a duck house, and my ducks are crammed in with my chickens, and this is a disaster, and Cider's very hungry, so we need to go feed him. What a shit show. I've just restacked these hay bales for the 8th time, and ready to scream out of frustration and chronic back pain. This is so fucking unnecessary. Why is this being done to me right now? Why don't I have the proper equipment to clear the driveway, to drag logs out of the woods for firewood, to feed my goats, to make hay, to move shit around without having to do it like this, which is just fucking retarded. What the hell? I am not restocking this. I am so fucking pissed right now. My goat is screaming and I'm afraid somebody's gonna call animal control on me. Sounds like he's being beaten to death when he's just hungry. I can't do this. I am just ready to start curling into a ball and screaming and crying right now. What the fuck? We are now ditching with only 4 bales on the sled. It keeps tipping the fuck over. I have these as evenly spaced and balanced on here as possible, and it's still doing this. I've just ditched again right there for what, the 11th time, trying to get these bales, just 4 of them, over here to the duck house that the goats are forced to live in, because I don't have a goat house after 9 years of trying to get the fuck out of here and move and set up a farm correctly. And I just fucked up my knee, and I'm ready to rage quit this shit every fucking day. This is not fun. This is not enjoyable. This isn't a Instagram farm where I can just say how lovely this is and have pictures of me sipping tea in front of my goats and shit. This is fucking hell. This is fucking hell, and I'm sick and tired of this fucking shit. I am so done. Finally have the last 3 hay bales down here. This is $50 worth of hay that cost $150 because feed stores charge double what a normal farmer would charge, and then they charge a huge $40 delivery fee on top of that. And our delivery driver from the feed store is still stuck at the top of the driveway waiting for a tow truck. Do you think they're going to want to deliver here again? Nope. So, how the fuck am I feeding my animals this winter? I don't know. They wonder why farmers have such a high suicide rate. If you ever see a YouTube channel glorifying the rural life and living out in the middle of fucking nowhere, they're full of fucking shit. This is hell. Here comes the tow truck to rescue the feed guy who's still stuck at the top of the driveway. I gotta see this. I don't know how hard it's gonna be to pull him out of there. Slid right off the road into the top of the driveway where there's a hell of a drop-off. There's no fucking way he's gonna get unstuck very easily. I don't think the plow truck sanded the road yet either. No, he didn't. Dick. That was quick. Usually it takes them forever to get up here to unstick somebody or tow anything. Whew. I haven't had breakfast yet, people, and it's gotta be 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I am not a happy camper. This is fucking exhausting. This is not how I pictured any type of retirement or, you know, hobby farm or anything. With no equipment and no help. Having to pay 3 times more for grain.